Hi, it's Amy and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a set of nails that have been inspired by my childhood, playing with stickers all the time and overcrowding every single thing I could possibly touch with them. Enjoy! So I've put a base layer of Shy Time, which is my fave nude pink. I've done 2 coats of that on the 3 tips. And on a palette here, I've put the following: Serious Black, Snow White, Sherbet Lemon, Lemon and Lime, Indian Summer, Devilish, Looking Glass, Azure, which is the pastel collection, Pitch Purple, Mimosa, and last but not least, Hanabi, which is a polka dot. Really cool gel polish. So we're going to start with Hanabi. So I'm going to do a full nail of this one. Ties in quite nicely. It's almost like a funfetti. Guns just went off. When you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now on this one here, we're going to use a larger dotting tool and we're going to load up with Sherbet Lemon and we're just going to do some circles. Get as many in as possible without them touching or being too close. When you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And on this one, we're going to use our 001 brush and we're going to just do some nice random patterns that mean absolutely nothing to each other. And in between colours, just give it a quick cure. Give this one a second coat. I think I want it a little bit more densely packed. And pop that in the lamp again. For this one we need our 001 brush and we're going to load this up with Serious Black. I'm going to do some little smiley faces. And with a really small dotting tool, Serious Black again, for some eyes. And then pop him in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to use Indian Summer. And we're going to put just some random marks around in various colours. Put into cure so we can finish that little rainbow off. So when this one's come out the lamp, I'm going to top coat it because we're finished with this one. And the same with our little smiley faces guy. I'm going to go in with Lemon and Lime. Put in the lamp just to give it a quick flash cure. Then we're going to go in with Looking Glass. So it doesn't have to be in any particular order or anything. Pop that in the lamp to cure. Use some Snow White. I'm going to make some little clouds under our rainbow with a dotting tool. And with the dotting tool, pick some colours up. Just do some random dots. Pop that in the lamp and cure that one for 30 seconds. Nice star with Sherbet Lemon. So it's nice and cluttered and crowded. It reminds me of a sticker book from when I was a kid. Pop that in for one final cure. Use some of the Hanabi and on our palette, just pop some of that around. Pop it quite sporadically. and then pop that in for 30 seconds. And when we've pulled this one out of the lamp, going with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And then pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And there you have it, my 90s sticker book inspired nails. For all the products that we've used today, we'll list them in the description box below. If you like this video, give us a like and click the subscribe button. Bye!